Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a new video for you guys today. I have the video of this girly. If you guys don't know, I feel like I only really buy dolls that are like Monster High G3 new character releases or some random like release of Draculaura that really speaks to me, which is just a lot of releases of Draculaura. And then the Magic Mixies Pixlings dolls, sometimes I'll buy one of those. And then like if a character comes out that's like new of these are the Barbie Dream Besties. This is Zia. The artwork is literally the cutest thing. I don't know if I've watched any reviews of this doll online. I do know that she's flat-footed, which is kind of weird for a Barbie. I don't really like Barbie feet to begin with because I find them like freakishly small. But she's flat-footed, which kind of makes me wonder if she's going through an existential crisis. She does have really cool boots, so that's dope. But yeah, the only thing I know about this lady is that she is I think she's the mean girl in the Barbie Dream Besties online universe, okay? So that's her lore. I don't know how she's the mean girl. I don't know what she's done. Okay, maybe she's misunderstood, who knows. I just think she's really cute. I think this doll form is really cute. I think her art is really cute. I guess she really likes hairspray. That's good. Does it say, "Hi, I'm Zia. I love to experiment with fun hair colors, styles, and accessories." She's an influential hairstylist. Can't relate, honestly. I'm horrible with hair. Favorite activities: hairstyling, thrift shopping, stargazing. Favorite class: astronomy. Favorite color: mint green. Favorite thing: my moon-shaped comb. Honestly, she sounds great. Like, she sounds like a cool gal. So let's open this and I will share my thoughts. Okay, so here's the packaging. Of course you can't see her face, my freaking ring light. Yeah. I feel like it's basically the same as all of the packaging from this line, but it's really pretty. I love like their whole like stars, clouds, I don't know, like pretty balloon writing aesthetic. It's gorgeous. I love the artwork of these dolls. I always really like the packaging, and this one is no different. This is all of them on the back. I'm kind of wondering how many characters they're going to come out with, because I'm like, I kind of feel like they're going to run out of room. It's just a lot of girls back here. So yeah, there she is. She's cute. I kind of wonder if she has like a different body type, or if she's shorter, or just anything like that. Because like, for example, this doll, I cannot remember her name. I think it might be Renee. She's a little taller, and then Daisy, I think this is it Daisy May or just Daisy? She's like a little bit thicker, so it's cool that they're going with different bodies, and I wonder if this one is different or if it's just the same as the signature bodies, which is fine. This doll line is extremely inexpensive. It's like $19.99, so to be honest, I'm kind of happy with, I'm not saying I'm happy with whatever I can get, but like I'm just really impressed, I guess, all that they give you for $19.99, because you got like a fully articulated doll, you got different bodies, you got little accessories. It's just cool to see. I don't know, like I feel like a lot of dolls nowadays go for like 30 bucks. So and sometimes they have less going on than this does. So let's open her. Okay, so opening her, I actually don't think that she is, like I thought she was like shorter and maybe curvier, but I actually, after looking at my Brooklyn doll, she's right here. Hey. I think they basically just have the same body type. I mean, I'm gonna take off her clothes and stuff and check, but I think they have the same body type. It's just she has flat feet, so she looks like shorter. I mean, to be honest, her outfit is like pretty simple, but I do like it. Like, I like that she has like this little knit sweater. I don't know if that's like common in Barbies. Like, I feel like it's not, but also like I'm not the biggest Barbie connoisseur, so like maybe it is. But I like her little skirt. I like the kind of juxtaposition of this being like pleather and then this being like a soft sweater. I think the flat-footed aspect of this doll has been a little controversial because, I don't know, I've just heard people say that they don't really like it. I guess because it's not the norm for Barbie, but to be honest, I like flat feet in dolls. I just do. I also really have like a weird dislike for Barbie's feet. They feel freakishly, unproportionally tiny for me as someone who doesn't, like, I love Barbie. I definitely have like a nostalgic connection to her, but also I'm like, your feet are too tiny, okay? So I kind of like that this doll's feet are flat. They still look like very tiny, but I don't know, it just feels a little bit more normal. I like her shoes a lot, and I like that she has like combat-y boots. Like, it looks like kind of like Doc Martens, and then frilly socks. I just feel like I would wear that. So zooming in on her face, her face up is pretty. Like, I think that her makeup is relatively simple, but it's cute. I like all the mint aspects. I like that the mint eyeshadow matches with her sweater. I just like matchy things. And then this like hair thing, I really like it. I'm also genuinely wondering like what is happening here. Like, is this paint or what is it? Because I feel like it's not hair. Because if you look at it, it's like a fade. So this is like the color of whatever fiber this is, and then it fades into this. And I feel like maybe it's paint. I don't know. Her hair in the back is very soft, or like pretty soft. And it's actually kind of like, it's not good quality, but I feel like it's better quality than I'm used to with Mattel. Like, being disappointed in hair when it comes to Mattel. But this is like, I don't know, it's like stringy like it always is, but it kind of feels a little bit like normal hair, or like human hair. So I feel like this is maybe paint, just looking at it. Or maybe it's like when you spray that stuff on your hair that like changes the color, which I think is basically paint. Maybe it's that, I don't know. Simple, but she's cute. I really like her complexion. I don't know, I've been really liking like tan dolls lately. And she's like pretty tan. She's pretty deep complected. Like, maybe she could be like a little bit more accessorized, like maybe like earrings, or maybe like a necklace. Let's get into her accessory, and then I'll show you guys the body type, and like, I'm really curious about her feet. That's what this is good. First accessory, hairspray. It's hairspray. The label is kind of coming up a little bit, which feels like not the worst thing in the world, but also like it'd be cool if it was not coming up, I guess. It's just like a little attention to detail thing. I want to see if the cap comes off. Shut up. Oh my god. I love like weird functional things. Like, does the cap need to come off? No. But is that a cool detail? Yes. I don't know, it's hairspray, y'all. It looks like hairspray. It's a cute little doll accessory. You love to see it. This accessory, I'll be honest, this accessory is like, I'm kind of like, I didn't even know this was a purse at first. I was just like, what is that? And then I was like, oh, the purse. So we have this. It's a purse. I don't know if it opens, but it's a purse. Yeah, it opens. You can put approximately nothing in here. But yeah, it's supposed to be your purse. I don't know, again, don't know anything about this doll, but I think she likes like astronomy and hair. That's what I'm getting from these accessories. There's a lot of stars and like hair accessories. So that's her purse. Not super happy about it. Like, it's just like kind of a meh accessory. Because I didn't even know it was a purse. But, you know, it's a thing that she has, I guess. Definitely, I think the most, I guess, unimpressive sort of thing about this doll. We have her cell phone, because all dolls need cell phones. I put the cell phone inside the case, and it actually worked. I was kind of expecting it not to, because with this line, it's very like hit or miss. I also like that it's 11/11. Make a wish. It's pretty cute. There's a star. Could you imagine like walking, like, this is your case, you're just like walking around with it? Like, how are you putting this in your pocket? Who knows? But yeah, that's her phone and her case, and it's actually pretty nice quality, because it actually functions. Alright, her comb is actually really cool. I really like it. I don't think anybody is combing out their doll's hair with this, but you know, I definitely don't use the combs that come with dolls, or the brushes or whatever, so I don't really care. Let me just see. It's yellow, it's got a moon, it's got stars. This thing I think I'm like the most excited about. So she has one of these. I know that this is like rollers, or like hair curler, but like I don't know exactly what it's called. Like, it's a really big hair curler, I guess. But look, it functions. Like, you can clamp her hair in it. That's really cool, I think. Yeah, I'm just excited it's functioning. and that impresses me. So this is like by far my favorite little accessory. The last accessory is just like, I feel like Mattel has a book sculpt and they use it at least once a doll line, it feels like. But yeah, it's like planets and stuff. I think that's her interest. Doesn't open, but you know, whatever. It's a blue book. It's got stuff on the front. You love to see it. I probably like her accessories. I think the only one that I'm not happy with is the bag. I feel like they could have done like a lot cooler stuff, because like you could have made a star bag and made it look like a bag, you know? Alright, so this is her body. It's just the signature body, but she has flat feet, so I mean, that's fine. I like the signature body. I was just a little excited. I get very excited by like different sculpts and things, but I don't know, I'm kind of like excited to see a Barbie with flat feet. What the booty looks like. She's got the stereotypical like mold on underpants that I think like all fashion dolls have pretty much. It's a really pretty sculpt, and I am very, very happy that it is a sculpt on the market that is like fully articulated. Final thoughts, I think this doll is absolutely worth it. I mean, the price tag alone is just so expensive compared to other doll lines that yeah, I don't know, I just don't see how it couldn't be worth the money, just with like articulation, all the little details. You also get a lot of little accessories, which I typically don't care about, but you know, if you're like a kid, you probably care about it, so that's really dope. I just feel like for the price and like all the stuff you get and how pretty she is, I don't really see how she isn't worth the money, or how I could not recommend her, because she's just gorgeous. Like, look at her. She's stunning. Her face is so cute. I want to paint another Barbie Dream Bestie. I painted one kind of recently, and by recently, this could have been like 6 months ago. I don't even know. I think it was like longer than 6 months ago. I feel like time escapes me when it comes to doll repaints, because I'll be like, oh, it was recently, and then it's like 6 dolls ago, and that could be like 6 to 8 to 12 months ago. So just depending on how productive I am with like life. She's gorgeous. I just love these. I'm so excited about these. Like, honestly, these and Monster High are kind of like all I am collecting when it comes to fashion dolls at the moment. And I feel like there's maybe like a lull in fashion dolls. Like, where are the Magic Mixies Pixlings? Where did they go? Did it like... I'm just confused, because I feel like they were coming out like just constantly, like just constant releases, and now I'm just like, where's the new release? And I'm kind of worried that maybe, because I don't think the Supremes did very well, so I'm hoping that that didn't like have an impact on the line. But like, where are dolls lately? I don't know. There's definitely stuff coming out, but it's just like, I feel like there could be more stuff, you know? But also, I would probably feel that under all circumstances, because I just love new fashion doll releases. But yeah, if you guys pick this doll up, let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, like this video. If you think she's cute, let me know. If you guys like the Barbie Dream Besties, let me know. I know there are strong feelings about them of like either loving or hating, or also people just like not understanding why they didn't just bring it back Ever After High, because they look so similar, but they different. Okay, so I love this doll. Like this video if you like this video, subscribe, makes me happy, and I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Bye.